How to fix upload error in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artist YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you a practical solution how to fix this upload error that is showing up, that is popping up on your Canva account. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am aiming to reach 1 million subscribers in this year, so please help me do that. Okay, it costs you nothing to subscribe my channel, so please help me. I need your help. Okay, now as I promised, I would solve your problem, so watch the video till the end. As you can see, the error that is popping up on your screen is upload error. So how to fix that? Okay guys, before fixing it, before heading any further, we must know one thing, that why this error is showing up. Okay, why this error is showing up? What is the reason? It is because that your image is corrupted, or you might have a bug on your image. Okay, so the problem is in the image, and that is the reason. I'll show you how. If I try to upload this image, then you will get the error, upload error, and on the description you will see some of the files you are trying to upload are not compatible with Canva, or they have been corrupted. Please make sure all files you have upload have the correct file extension and are not broken. Okay, so now the first thing that you need to do is first you have to rename. Okay, let's try to rename. This is the first solution that you can do. First, let's go to edit. You can use this on your computer. Go to edit and then go to file and then save as. From here, go here and go to download and save as JPG. Okay, here JPG format, as you can see. So photo 1, select like this, give any name. Okay, transparency will be gone, we don't need this, and then let's go, and the photo 1 is here. So now let's try to upload these on Canva. Now as you can see, the photo is working. Okay, so this is the one way you can fix your image, that you can fix this error. Okay, but guys, if you are using mobile, or if this method is not working in your computer, then the second method is that you have to come to JPG to PNG. Okay, JPG to PNG converter. Okay, or before coming into this, I would suggest you that come to the JPG.repair website. From here you can come to this website. It's a JPG.repair website. Okay, come here and then upload the image that you want to fix. Okay, suppose I want to fix this image, and then click here, and then as you can see, it is uploading here now. Okay, this image is already been uploaded here, as you can see. Now let's download the image. So it is downloaded. Now let's clear. Here is the image. So now let's try to upload this image. As you can see, this one is the image. Let's go here. As you can see, my image is downloaded here and uploaded here without any error, as you can see. Now guys, the third solution is that if your file is JPG, then you can come to this website, jpg-2png.com, this website, and then from here come here and click on the upload file and upload any of the file here. Suppose I want to upload this file, photo 1. Okay, I think this file was already been rectified, so I'll select this one. Yes, this is the corrupted file. So let's select this one, and then it is uploading. Upload. Okay, it is already being uploaded. Okay, so we have to wait for some times, and then let's check how it goes. Okay, I think this one is not working properly. Let's select another file. Okay, let's select this file. It is uploading. Maybe the internet connection is not that stable, and that is the reason I have to wait for a few seconds, guys. Maybe their server is not working properly. Okay, wait a few seconds. Okay guys, let me tell you that after uploading, maybe their server is not working at the moment. After uploading this, you'll get after being uploaded, you'll get here an option to download the image, and after downloading the image, you can simply come to this website and simply come to your computer file and then select the image and then put it here, and then you will see that your problem is fixed. Okay, so this is how you can fix the problem. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.